Welcome to this tutorial on creating an image slider in your WordPress posts or pages in just a few minutes. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to add an interactive image comparison feature that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your website. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once you reach the WordPress homepage, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There you will find a login option. Click on this login button to start the sign-in process. When prompted with several options, choose the method that says continue with Google and pick the appropriate Google account to access your dashboard. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the administrative dashboard where you can manage your website. Look for a section known as Quick Links, which is designed to help you navigate to the most frequently used pages. Within Quick Links, locate and click on the Edit Site option. This action opens the site editor, a powerful area where you can make visual and functional modifications to your website. Once inside the site editor, direct your focus to the top right corner of the interface where you will notice a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Click on the plus icon to reveal an extensive list of available components. In the search field that appears, carefully type the word compare. The search function is designed to filter elements by name, and by typing compare, you help it display the element labeled image compare. When image compare appears, click on it to add this component to your page. This element is specifically designed to create an interactive image slider where visitors can compare two images side by side. The next part of the process involves adding images to the slider. Within the image compare element, find the option that allows you to add a photo. This option is typically labeled as Select Image. Clicking on this button will present you with a selection interface that gives you access to the media library. Now that you are in the media library, browse through the available images until you find the one that best suits your needs. When you have identified the desired image, click on it to initiate the selection process. After selecting the image, confirm your choice by clicking on the select button. Repeat this process for the second image to ensure that both images are loaded into the image compare element. As you progress, your image slider will now be visible on your WordPress post or page. Both images display within the interactive slider, allowing visitors to compare them with ease. This feature is not only visually appealing, but also provides a dynamic way of presenting comparative content or before and after scenarios. Following these instructions will enable you to add a functional image slider to your WordPress site quickly and efficiently. With just a few clicks, you have learned how to incorporate this engaging feature to enhance your website's user experience. Enjoy customizing your slider further within the site editor, and thank you for following along with this tutorial.